What's up, gentlemen? My name is Ahmed Hassan, and today I want to talk with you guys about 10 things that will make you look attractive instantly. Do you notice sometimes that you see some guys and you see, man, I don't know why this guy always looks on point. They seem like they always got their shit together. This is why today I made this video to share with you guys 10 secrets that will make you look attractive instantly. If you are new to my YouTube channel, I make videos like this each and every week about men's health, men's fitness, style, grooming, whatever it is to make you feel amazing. Please check my content out, and if you like my content, please do subscribe because I make videos like this each and every week so you will not miss out. And number one, always try to prepare your outfit for the next day before you sleep. You know this annoying habit that our parents always used to say, prepare your clothes for the next day? Yeah, now I'm saying it again. You have to prepare your clothes for the next day. Whether if you are going to work the next day or if you are going out with the boys, sometimes we wake up late or we put our alarm on snooze and we feel like a little bit off. And if you are late and you woke up late and you have to run to work, the last thing that you want to think about is which shirt I'm gonna wear today, right? So it's very important that to prepare your outfit for the next day, iron it, prepare everything, match everything together, and then you will be sure that the next day you will look sharp, you look amazing. Gentlemen, so the next thing I want to talk with you guys about, you have to have a skincare routine. I can't stress this more, but this is very important because if you don't have a skincare routine, if you don't take care of your skin may look older than it is. And you don't want that. For example, when you go outside, you have to use sunscreen to prevent your skin from the black spots and the potential wrinkles that you may get. And actually, some people say that using sunscreen will prevent even from cancer. So this is a plus point. You're young and you have blackheads, acne, it's very important to ask your doctor or to ask a dermatologist about how you can get rid of this acne and how you can maintain your skin. Because if you take care of your skin, you can look younger even in the future, even when you get old. You know, when you see like some actors like George Clooney, Robert Downey Jr., those people look younger each and every year. And if you come from the Middle East, if you know Amr Diab, he always looks younger. And I'm sure he have a skincare routine. He takes care of his skin. He washes his face each and every day. He cleanses his face. He uses sunscreens. He uses moisturizers because this is very important to have a great looking skin in the future and even when you get older. I made a video about skincare routine. I will link it down in the description. In this video, you will learn everything, the basics about skincare and which products should you use. Everything you will learn in details. I will leave the links in the description. Check it out, and if you have any questions, please write me in the comments. I will answer your questions and all your requests. Gentlemen, so the third thing that will make you look attractive instantly is that you give people your full attention. This is something that we are not doing anymore. I know there are ads everywhere. There are some distractions everywhere. My phone always gets like 100 notifications every day. I know, it's crazy out there. The world is going crazy, it's too busy. But if you give people your full attention, if you look them in the eye and hear what they say, they will totally feel attracted to you and they feel like you respect them, and when you respect them, they will respect you as well. So giving people your full attention is very attractive. Try this out with your family members when you go out on a date. Put your phone down. Listen to what people are saying, hear them, and you will notice the difference. Gentlemen, it's very simple. If you give your attention to someone, they think that you like them. And they tend to like you back. This is how it works. You give something, you get something. Gentlemen, and don't forget to smack the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Gentlemen, do you know what else would make you look more attractive? Being in charge. Being in charge is very attractive because people around you will feel safe and secure. And I mean being in charge even when you go outside with your girlfriend, whether you pick up which restaurant you're gonna dine in today or even take some responsibility of some mistakes that you did. But being in charge is always attractive because people around you think that you respect what you do, you think that you are a leader, and you think that you are a problem solver. And people around you will feel safe and secure, and this is really, really attractive. Women like it, and everybody else like it as well. Gentlemen, so in the list, the next thing that will make you look more attractive is you got to learn how to use your body language. It doesn't matter how successful you are, you can be like a boss or a CEO of a multi-million-dollar company, or you can even have your own business, but if you are slouching, if you are always having your hands in your pockets and you're slouching and you're looking down, people will not be attracted to you. They will feel like you are not confident. But on the other hand, if you are always walking up straight, you have the right body language, you have to walk into the room and you think that you are amazing, people will notice that. And if you do that, you will feel like the difference. Another thing you have to keep in mind, we always use our cell phones. These cell phones are pretty amazing. You can do everything with cell phones, but they have one downside, that you always look down while you are holding them. Try when you look down in your phone, and if you use your phone for a long time, try to sit up straight, because this will develop the habit that you will always have like a straight back, and this will maybe help you have a better body language, so people will think that you are more confident. And you should always be confident with yourself, because you're amazing. Gentlemen, do you know what else is attractive? Is being positive. We all have some friends that are somehow negative. They are the positive energy sucking vampires. They are walking around sucking all the positive energy around them, and we don't like to be around those people. This is normal and this is natural, because normally people tend to like people who are positive. They like people who have positive energy. They like people who lift them up instead of people who are bringing them down. So this is normal and natural. And I'm not saying you have to be always happy and you have to be always energetic, because this is not realistic and will be somehow creepy. But I'm just saying always be positive. And you know, the ultimate secret of being positive, never end a sentence in a negative note. For example, if you say that you have a problem and you say, man, I don't know why this has happened to me, you should always end the sentence with, but I'm gonna find a solution and everything is gonna be alright. This is the ultimate secret of being positive. You want another secret to be positive? Smack the like button for the YouTube algorithm so that you can see videos like this each and every week. Gentlemen, number 7. This is very important. I always mention it because it's awesome. You have to exercise. Exercising is awesome because it will make you feel better instantly, because it releases endorphins, which makes you feel better, and it makes you look amazing and look fit. And this is very attractive, guys. When we see some guy who is training and he looks fit and amazing, we think, oh man, this guy got his shit together. This guy is in point. He has the discipline. This is why he's amazing. And this is very attractive, guy. I make sure that always to try to train 2 to 3 times a week, because you know I have like a 9-to-5 job, but training is very important for me. It's definitely something that I enjoy doing, and I will never quit, hopefully, because it makes me feel amazing and it makes me look good. So I will try to keep this habit forever. Stay healthy, stay fit. Gentlemen, you don't need to own a gym membership to train. You can just train at home. You can run in the street. You can play some basketball with your friends. You can even go swimming in the lake. Whatever it is, just keep your body moving, burn that calories. Try to be healthy and look fit as possible. Me, guys, this is very important, I think, for you as well. So just start with whatever you have. Now in the Corona times, everything is locked down. There is no gyms, but it's okay. I took this as a chance to build my own small home gym. I bought some dumbbells, I bought some bar, and I bought a bench, and this is all I need, guys, to have like a full body workout. And number 9, the most important and eventually would make you attractive is having good manners. Good manners is very important. A simple please and thank you goes a long way. People always remember it. Don't say it to strangers, don't just say it to your friends or family, just say it to everyone. Always remember to be nice, treat everyone with respect. doesn't matter what they do, and it doesn't matter what you do. Always remember this: treat everyone with respect, show everyone respect, and show them good manners. Even when you go out in a date or something like that, even when you go out in a date with a girl, she would be interested in knowing how you will treat the waiters, how you treat the people around you, because she will judge you on how you treat people, and she will think that this is how you're gonna treat her in the future. If you treat people nicely, you'll treat her nicely in the future, and so on. So good manners is really attractive. Remember guys, a simple thank you and please to strangers makes the difference. Being a well-dressed up dude is amazing, is cool and everything, but being a well-dressed up man with manners, that makes you a gentleman, a sexy badass man that people and girls would definitely be attracted to. Gentlemen, last but not least, the 10th thing that will make you attractive instantly is having a grooming routine. Just imagine this: you went up, met some new people, you met some new friends, you were in a new meeting in the job, or you have met some new friends in the party, and you're going home, you're feeling amazing, and told yourself, oh, what a great day, I met so many new friends. And then you look in the mirror and you find out that you have a long hair coming out of your nose. This is definitely a bummer, because you will think, oh my god, how many people did see this hair coming out of my nose? And you don't want that to happen to you at any time. This is why having a good grooming routine is very important. You have to always make sure that you look the best that you can, and you have to make sure that you look amazing and attractive. Guys, I love you so much. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video amazing, smash the like button, because you guys are fantastic. And please check my content out. I make videos like this each and every week in my YouTube channel. And if you like the content, please do subscribe so that you will not miss any videos that I make in the future. Thank you for the support, and see you guys next time.